And that concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you really enjoyed this one. Again, this was a simple design. You've managed to learn how to create a custom brush, how to insert and place the images, how to resize them, how to envelop an image into an object, and how to use the special effects on that particular object, and in the end how to export your work via print or export to social media. Please do share your designs with the rest of the class. I really want to see your progress and what you've managed to do with them. Until next time, if you want to learn more, I do have another class on Affinity Photo Introduction, hands-on approach as well, so please check that out. And please give me a review so I will be able to tailor better tutorials for you guys. Until next time, my name is Alex. Take care.